Imagine holding in your hand what could very well be the most ambitious, groundbreaking, and intelligent smartphone ever conceived, the rumored iPhone 18 Pro Max, a device that does not merely redefine what a phone can do, but challenges the very notion of what it means to carry a personal computer, a creative studio, an entertainment hub, and a personal assistant all in one compact device that fits in the palm of your hand. And from the moment you power it on, the experience promises to be nothing short of mesmerizing, as the expansive 6.9-inch XDR OLED display floods your vision with colors so rich, contrasts so deep, and brightness so vivid that scrolling through photos, watching movies, gaming, or even just reading text feels like stepping into an entirely new dimension where every detail, shadow, and highlight is rendered with absolute precision and realism, making your content memories and creations come alive like never before, and the visual magic is further enhanced by rumored improvements in refresh rate and adaptive frame technology that allows smoothness and fluidity to adapt to the action on screen. Whether you're swiping through a feed, zooming in on a photograph, or playing the most graphically demanding game without a hint of lag or tearing, giving you a visual experience that is as immersive as it is impressive. Beneath this stunning display lies the rumored A18 Pro chipset, a powerhouse of processing that promises desktop-class performance in the form factor of smartphone, handling every task, from multi-tab browsing and editing ultra-high-definition photos, to rendering 4K or even 8K video, running AI-powered apps, and powering the most demanding games with buttery smooth frame rates, all while maintaining energy efficiency that extends battery life well beyond what anyone has experience with. Previous models reportedly lasting up to 2 full days of heavy usage, which means creators, professionals, gamers, and multitaskers alike can rely on this device without fear of running out of power during critical moments. And when it does need charging, the rumored enhanced fast charging and wireless charging technology ensures you can get hours of use in minutes, making it feel almost like magic in terms of convenience and efficiency. Photography is expected to receive a leap forward that makes this phone a true professional tool, with a rumored triple lens system that includes an all-new periscope telephoto lens offering up to 10x optical zoom, allowing users to capture distant subjects with astounding clarity, bringing a new level of detail to wildlife photography, sports events, or architectural photography that was previously only possible with bulky professional equipment, and low-light performance is reportedly drastically improved thanks to larger sensors, better image stabilization, and computational photography advancements that allow crisp, vibrant, and noise-free images even in near darkness, making every shot a masterpiece. Whether it's a spontaneous selfie at sunset, a candlelit dinner, or a starry night sky, while cinematic video capabilities elevate content creation to a professional level. With enhanced stabilization, depth control, advanced HDR recording, and cinematic mode that makes focusing, bokeh, and motion tracking effortless and smooth, allowing anyone to produce film-quality videos on the go without investing in expensive camera gear, which opens up a world of possibilities for vloggers, filmmakers, educators, and creatives looking to push their storytelling to new heights. On the audio and communication side, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature enhanced speaker technology, spatial audio, and advanced microphones that allow crystal-clear recordings and calls even in noisy environments, and combined with ultra-fast 5G, Wi-Fi 7 readiness, and satellite-based emergency communications, staying connected, sharing content, or receiving help in remote areas has never been easier or more reliable, making this device not just a smartphone, but a lifeline for adventurers, travelers, and professionals alike. The design is said to be revolutionary yet refined, with lighter, stronger materials like titanium edges and matte glass backs that not only feel luxurious, but improve durability and comfort, slim bezels that maximize screen space without adding bulk, and enhanced haptics that make every tap, swipe, and scroll feel tactile and responsive, giving a sense of connection to the device that is almost intuitive. While sustainability remains a core focus with more recycled materials, efficient manufacturing, and a commitment to longevity that ensures your investment continues to perform at peak levels for years, aligning with Apple's environmental goals and user expectations alike. Security and privacy, which have become critical concerns in today's digital landscape, are expected to reach new heights with on-device AI performing tasks like email sorting, smart suggestions, and transcription without sending personal data to the cloud, combined with advanced biometric authentication that is smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever, keeping your information safe while allowing seamless access and personalization that adapts to your habits and preferences over time. The rumored improvements in augmented reality capabilities, coupled with a larger, brighter, and more responsive display, open up possibilities that go far beyond what we've seen in smartphones so far, allowing immersive gaming, virtual try-ons, interior design simulations, educational experiences, and navigation with AR overlays that feel natural, accurate, and incredibly engaging, which could change how people interact with the world around them. Every element of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, from the core hardware to software optimizations, camera enhancements, display innovations, connectivity improvements, security features, and sustainability initiatives, seems designed not just to meet expectations, but to shatter them, offering an all-encompassing experience that transforms the way you work, create, communicate, entertain, and explore, turning a simple device into a companion, a creative partner, a personal assistant, and a portal to possibilities that were previously unimaginable in daily use. Whether you're capturing fleeting moments on a crowded city street, editing professional-grade content while on the subway, streaming movies in high definition while lounging at home, attending video calls with perfect clarity in any environment, or navigating new locations with precision, every interaction feels smooth, deliberate, and responsive, instilling confidence that this is a device built not just for today, but for the next decade of technological evolution. As rumors suggest, Apple has poured attention into every detail: the camera, the screen, the processor, battery life, connectivity, haptics, durability, AI, AR, sustainability, privacy, and design, all working together harmoniously to create an experience that is fluid, reliable, beautiful, and intelligent. And this cohesion is what could make the iPhone 18 Pro Max a cultural and technological milestone, a device that does not simply follow trends but defines them, setting a benchmark for competitors and raising the bar for everything in the smartphone ecosystem. From professionals who rely on speed and accuracy, to creators who demand flexibility and power, to everyday users who want simplicity, elegance, and reliability, this device aims to satisfy all, seamlessly integrating into lifestyles while enhancing capabilities and pushing the limits of what you thought a smartphone could do. In essence, the iPhone 18 Pro Max promises to be more than just a phone. It is rumored to be a portal to creativity, efficiency, security, and entertainment, a device that redefines convenience, luxury, and performance. And the excitement surrounding it is not just about incremental upgrades, but about a bold leap forward, a vision of the future in the palm of your hand, where every swipe, tap, and press feels meaningful, every moment captured feels eternal, and every interaction, whether professional, creative, or leisurely, feels elevated, effortless, and immersive, a culmination of years of innovation and anticipation, promising to transform everyday experiences into something extraordinary, redefining what users expect from their smartphones, and potentially setting a new standard for the industry for years to come, turning not only the way we use phones, but the way we perceive technology, connectivity, and creativity into something richer, smarter, and more deeply personal than ever before.